Hello, this is Frank. I'm going to attempt to give you a visual of our replacement for your Toyota trucks. So it'd be the smaller version of the service vehicle. Going around the back, you can see the hitch. We have a pull-out hydraulic outrigger coupled with the hydraulic crane mounted on the corner. Apologize for the shaky. You can see the toolboxes and compartments. Most of these are spec'd by what we had off of a drawing. Of course, the passenger's compartment, driver's compartment. We located the air cleaner external, but tucked into the hood where it's not in the way of visibility. All of the access covers and holes will have stainless paddle latches, which we don't have installed prior to paint. This one to be access to the starter. Also, you can access the oil filter, and that way we have, of course, the air cleaner serviceable from exterior. We have it braced up with fender skirts and tried to make a nice looking vehicle. In the front, we have a grill that's not bolted in here. Obviously, we have the transmission cooler. We have the surge tank, which will be a visual, so you won't have to remove the radiator cap for daily inspections. We have put the service filters, the fuel filter, transmission filter, and hydraulic filter up front for ease of maintenance. Of course, the two batteries for the engine with breakers. Master disconnect on this side will shut off complete power to the dash and all components on the motor. This side you have access. A door provides access to the oil check, which is, I think you can see the dipstick there, and also the hydraulic filter. It's a hydraulic throttle reservoir and brake reservoirs contained under this compartment, and they are marked. You do have access on top for oil fill, and if you need to get into the radiator for fill if something has gone wrong or been changed. Placards on the sides. Driver's compartment, 3-point safety harness attached high, and of course, and down on the side with a stiff one that won't fall out and get on the ground. Driver controls. We have attempted to enclose everything electrical in a sealed box. Key start, the red button for brake release, and the mechanical that have oil to them, the hydraulic brake pressure, engine oil pressure, and the temp gauge being located on the right, also air restriction indicator. Logbook holder, shift for the 2-speed transfer case, has a low and high, also can be running 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive with appropriate shifters, and the transmission control, which isn't decaled yet, but will control a 3-speed Allison transmission. This side reflecting the boxes, because we have the air tanks in the front, oxygen and acetylene encased here, and possibly you can see the toolboxes we have that are designed. Some of these already have the latches on them, which will be taken off for paint. We'll attempt to do a test drive so you can get an idea of the ride and noise levels. Key start, pull red button to release brake pressure. Then when you put it in drive, it will release the driveline brake, and we are ready to roll. There may be some rattling because of the doors that are loose, but I think you'll see this. As you can see, our driveway is pretty much of a test track. Maybe you can get an idea of how it rides. Acceleration. For a bottle clamp, but maybe I should have put some rubber under, but the rest of it, as far as engine noise, transmission noise, I think you can get an idea of. Idea of what we're running over and how the thing rides. Pretty comparable to a pickup truck. I'm going to hit this chuck hole. That concludes our drive-in. We'll take another walk around and see how this thing loads up. Joe, you want to sit in that seat? You're what, 6'3"?
Yeah.
This is one of our head mechanics. He's 6'3". You can see the comfort, the level of where he's at as far as the pedals, and pretty comfortable for him. The seat is all the way back, so there is some adjustment up.